How you doing, guys? Graeme Booth here again, the contracts manager at KPM Contractors. As you can see, we're back out at this property we're doing in Glasgow. This is the one you may previously have seen on our LinkedIn profiles already. This was the one we were doing the rough cast on it. So originally we stripped the rough cast off, but we knew there was going to be a slight issue with the job. So we took it off up the top. The stone was in really bad condition. The reason this being was it was completely encapsulated with rough cast. There was also a building paper put in the back of it, so the job couldn't really breathe. When the original guys came out to do the job, they dismantled the chimney and, believe it or not, filled it full of concrete, which just blew the full inside of the chimney, making the gable end in a really poor state. We stripped down so far and then realised we're going to need to bring in a structural engineer here. So structural engineer came out. Unfortunately for the customer, which is really a shame, they've just in this their first ever house. The engineer's report came back to this full gable end has to come down. So we're on it straight away. As you can see, full job, completely head fenced off. Customers are moved out. This is now an active building site. Inside, which we'll take you in later on, we've completely sheeted the full gable end for safety for our guys and to make the site completely secure. So full gable end down. Today you'll actually get some more footage as well, because we're putting the new foundation in. All the bricks, everything to do with the job is getting delivered here tomorrow, and that's when our brickies, they start first thing tomorrow getting the first skin up on this full property. Right guys, as you can see, this is the stage we're at now. All the stonework is completely removed. This is the bit I was talking about, completely sheeted for the inside to keep the full job safely and secure. I'm actually standing in the found just now. This is going to be a 450mm deep structural concrete found with rebar. This is getting poured today, that's why management's out to make sure this is all going great. Once this is done, then that's when we start with three courser brick, sorry, not three courser brick, with three skins of brick from foundation right to the top. This has been specified on the engineer's report to be 20 kilonewton engineering brick from foundation right to the top. Three skins completely tied into the existing building with the correct ties, and completely tied in at the top with the correct ties as well right the way through. We've also cut all the power, all the electricity, all the water off to the mains so this full job can be done safely. Right guys, as you can see, this is us in the kitchen. Again, just to show you how structurally secure, safe and sound we've got the full house in here. This goes to show as well, unfortunately, when they've moved in as well, new kitchen, the full kitchen's come back out. Hopefully we can save this kitchen and put it back in again. All the power again, cut off, gas engineer in to cut all the gas off, plumber in, take all the plumbing, all the electrical works away, cut off at the mains so we can start working safely.